Hello, welcome to this daily t-shirt design video. My name is David Isamoje. I'm the owner and founder of What a T-Shirt Design. I want to really say thank you guys. You guys have been amazing. You guys have been supporting the channel and I really appreciate you guys. Hope you guys are keeping safe. Please stay indoor for the meantime till we can wrap our hands around this situation. Please stay indoors, stay safe. I would love to see you guys that you guys are all safe at the end of all this. So please, you guys should stay safe. If you're joining me for the first time, my channel is fully loaded for you guys. A lot of videos for you guys to watch. So you can just sit back, relax with a cup of tea or coffee or pizza, any which way. Just relax and watch videos upon videos on my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna go straight right into it. Please don't click off. I would advise you to watch it to the very end if you want to learn. Today we are going to be making a fun t-shirt design. It's going to be based on YouTube. Yes, because I want you guys to be watching more of YouTube at the moment. Just relax, chill. Don't get scared about the situation. Just relax and chill. So in this one, we're going to be using Canva T Shirt for the t-shirt design. So I'll just open up canva.com. Let me know in the comment how you feel about my mic. I just got my new mic. My new mic just arrived. Let me know how you guys feel about it. If it's super cool, let me know in the comments. If the audio quality is better, just let me know down in the comment. I really appreciate that. I appreciate your feedback on this. So let's go to create a design. Custom dimension. The standard is 4500 by 400. Sorry, pixel. Create a design. So it's going to open a new tab. As we can see, you already know this process already, but if you're just joining me, I'm going through this process. I keep going through this process every single day because I look at my analytics and I see that I get more of new subscribers, and if I don't go through this process, I always get that how do I do this down in the comments. So please bear with me. If you're my existing subscriber, if you're my loyal subscriber, I really appreciate you guys, but we all want to get perfect in this. I already know this process, but I keep doing it every single day so that people can know out there. So just please bear with us while I teach them this process and we'll all be fine. Let's help each other. That's the aim. So now we'll go to upload an image or video. We'll just go to pictures and look for our design. So this is it. I'm going to bring that in. I'll press open. It's going to load up. As you can see, it's going to load up. So while it's loading up, as you can see, it's loading up here. While it's loading up, I just want to say, if you're just joining me for the first time, please subscribe. If you like this video, please hit the like button, smash the like button. I really appreciate it. As many of you that smash the like button, I appreciate you. My existing subscriber, my loyal subscribers, please always smash the like button. I appreciate you guys. Leave me a comment if you want to see a different kind of design. If you want to see a different concept, just let me know in the comment and I will create time to design that. I always do that and I won't stop doing that. So let's go back to our design. We just click on this now that it has uploaded completely. We click on this once. As you can see, we have it now. We have it in there, so we just click on it. Just try to make it okay. It's good. It's not so bad. So we just click on save. As you all know, this is free Canva. This is the free version of Canva, so we can't download our design without the background. It's going to come with the background. So in the next stage, I'm going to show you how to get the background off. So if you want to learn that, please don't click off yet. We just click on download. We're gonna wait for it to download. As soon as it's done, preparing our download, is going to download here. So now we'll go over it. And just make sure we have the right design. So now we have it downloaded. Now that we have it downloaded, we'll just go over and make sure it's downloaded properly. So go to show folder. This is it. So let's wait for it to load to be sure this is what we wanted. Yes, this is it. So now this is the stage where we're going to remove the background. So please don't click off. If you want to click off after that, you're fine. But after then, we're going to be putting it into a 3D mockup. but if you just want this part, then stick around. So now we just go to open with Photoshop. As you can see, I designed this myself. From scratch. So you can see from scratch I did it myself. So if you want me to do some designs for you, just let me know. I'll be glad to do that. Let me know. So now we just want to remove the background. So we'll move over to this folded paper where it says create new layer. We'll click on it, then we'll click on layer 0. We'll move over to this magic word tool, that is the magic stick you can see here. You click on it once and you click on this. Click on this and we'll just click on delete. It's as simple as that. So now I'm going to do that for this white here because I want it to change depending on the shirt in which I put it in. So I'll just click on that and delete that, and I'll go in and delete for all these other little parts. I'll just delete and delete. So now that we'll have that all sorted out, I'll just do my control then plus button to make sure got that out. We'll do control 0 again. So now that we'll have that sorted, we'll just save it. Go to file, save as picture. This is it. So save it as PNG. Very important you save it as PNG. Always make sure you save your files as PNG. If you don't want the white background, then you click on save. Yeah, I'm getting this because I already have it. I already have this design saved out already, so I already have it. So I will just click on yes to get that and click on save. So while it's saving, so now we've saved it. So we'll just go over and bring in our 3D mockup. As you guys already know, I already have a set 3D mockup which I already use. So I'll just go over to pictures, mockup, and my anger mockup. You guys have been following my channel for a while now. This is my favorite mockups. So I'll just go and click on where it says your design. I'll just double tap and get rid of these designs and bring in our new design. We just go to pictures, 24. This is it. We just bring it in. As you can see. We'll reduce it a bit. So to do that, to reduce it, we'll do Alter. We'll press down 3 buttons, our Alter key button, Shift key button, and left mouse click button, and we'll just reduce this to where we think it's okay. I'll press enter, go to file and save it. Save. And now by the time we go back to our shirt, we should have it on our shirt. As you can see, it's on our shirt. So we just go over to change the color. I think I like this white. Let me see if other colors will work out well on this. So I think this yellow too is cool, but I'll prefer it. Let's see what a black shirt looks like. Okay, this is how it looks on a black shirt. So I prefer my white shirt on this. So I just click on OK. And now I'll go back and save this design. Save as pictures. Save it as JPEG. Now you can just go and promote this on Instagram. Find influencers, find creators, find fashion page, just find cool fashion page. You should be able to promote this for you. Everybody wants to wear it because everybody watches YouTube, so they'll be able to promote this for you. You just go over and promote it. So to your right, you see a playlist. Make sure you watch those playlists, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Do have a lovely day. Bye.